Hi, this is John from johnmichaelmarketing.com, and before I reveal to you a very simple way how you can get paid anywhere from $12 up to $16 per hour for working from home. You don't need any prior experience whatsoever. You don't need any technical skills. Literally anybody can do it from anywhere in the world. I invite you to click on the link in the description box right here below this video so you can get instant access to my #1 recommendation to working online and earning an extra income from home. Also, if you're excited to see this video and what's coming up, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, selecting the bell icon so you can be notified every single time I launch a new video on different ways for you to work online and earn an extra income from home. All right, so without further ado, let's get right to it. The company that we're going to be talking about today is called Lionbridge. Now, what is Lionbridge and how you can get paid there? Well, Lionbridge is a crowdsourcing company. It's actually one of the biggest ones out there, and they have a few tasks that you can do, a few jobs that you can do, and we're going to go through them in a second. Let me just show to you how big Lionbridge is. First of all, they have been featured on Forbes. I'm here on the Forbes website, and you can see it's talking here about Lionbridge and the CEO of Lionbridge. Second of all, it's rated on the Better Business Bureau with an A+, as you can see here. So that's very good. And also FlexJobs recommends, actually they have a lot of job postings from Lionbridge. And FlexJobs, if you don't know them, they only, they scan out all the scams out there and they recommend only legit jobs and legit opportunities. All right, so FlexJobs here. Now, Lionbridge, what are you going to do there? All right, there are different kind of jobs like I told you, but the most popular one and the easiest one, and the one that you can do from all around the world, even if you don't know English and you speak different languages, is actually browsing the internet. Okay, you get paid to browse the internet. So how does that work, and why do they pay you to browse the internet? Well, search engines, they are not always perfect. Okay, they make a lot of mistakes. So your job as a search engine evaluator, which is actually the actual title of the job, is to make sure that when a user searches for a term, that all the results that come out there are relevant, they're useful, and they're of quality. All right, so for example, if somebody is searching for where Paris Hilton threw her last party, and they find information on the Hilton Hotel in Paris and how to book, well, that's not relevant. Okay, that has nothing to do with Paris Hilton, the celebrity. All right, so that's an example of a search result that doesn't come out accurate. Okay, so your job basically is to search different terms that they're going to tell you and evaluate if the results are of good quality. Okay, because technology can provide results up to a certain degree, but the human eye is always needed to perfect it and fine tune it. So the job is really simple. As you can read here, it says that there shouldn't be anything holding you back from working on your own terms. With Lionbridge crowdsourcing, independent workers can find home-based jobs with flexible workloads that they control and a pipeline for incoming work. Now, the cool thing about Lionbridge is that jobs are at home. Okay, you can complete your job at home or from wherever you want, as long as you have a laptop and an internet connection, and the schedule is flexible. All right, so you set your own hours, but note that you are an independent worker. Okay, you are not an employee. Okay, which is a little bit different, and I'm just going to explain that in a second. Now, for job opportunities, you just go here. There's a tab that says job opportunities on their website, and here you see that they have jobs in all the continents. So for example, let's go here to, let's say, Germany. So Germany, you can see the different jobs that they have here. So here's a mobile search reviewer. So basically, again, it's like a search engine evaluator, but with a mobile. So basically, you will you could be doing searches from your PC, or you could be doing searches from an Android phone. All right, and see what's coming up. Here on their website, if I go back, they have a very good FAQ. So you can I highly recommend you read this and you go through it and you see and you understand a little bit more about the search engine evaluators and the different jobs that they have here. Now, apart from search engine evaluation, they do also have other jobs. I'm going to cover them in a second. But let's see what search engine evaluators get paid, more or less, at Lionbridge. And then we're going to go to the different jobs. So if I go here to Indeed, you can see that Lionbridge, okay, I'm here at Lionbridge, they have a 4.5-star rating, which is really, really good. 71% of people say think that they are paid fairly at Lionbridge. And the salaries vary. You see, you have here $10, $13.50, $16, $10.67. If I go to Glassdoor, all these websites, you know, they record the salaries from many employees. And here you can see that Internet Assessor, which is basically a search engine evaluator, and senior project managers, and you know, the pay is anywhere from $12 to $16. Maybe let me just zoom in so you can see that well. All right, so average is $13.50, and as you can see here, they start from 12 and they go up to $16. That's the maximum that you can get paid. Now, going back here to Lionbridge and to the job opportunities, if you search, like I told you, apart from search engine evaluators, there are different jobs. Like, for example, you can be a social media search consultant who actually tells the opinion on quality of content. Or you can also be an internet judge, which is kind of similar to internet evaluator. Or you can also do online map specialist, be an online map specialist. Basically, you evaluate online mapping software. Okay, so these are like the broad categories, and then there are other also smaller jobs that you can find, but the biggest one is the search engine evaluator. All right, so a great opportunity for you. You can do this from anywhere in the world. Just note that this is a part-time job. Okay, usually the maximum number of hours they give you is 20 hours per week, so don't quit your job for this. Okay, this is meant to help you supplement your income. You can do it wherever you want, whenever you want. Okay, you can fix your own hours. So there you go. Another great way for you to supplement your income and pay those bills. All right, so I hope you got value from this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button for me, subscribe to my channel, and select the bell icon so you can be notified every time I launch a new video on different ways how you can work online and earn an extra income from home. And before you leave, don't forget to click on that link right here below this video so you can get instant access to my #1 recommendation to working online and earning an extra income from home. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video. Bye-bye.